Hey guys, I am back here with another smoothie video. Yay! I'm gonna make this one quick. Basically, I have my ingredients all ready. Always have your ingredients all prepared and ready to go. So I'm going to start with some spring mix that I already washed and purchased just a little bit because I'm adding a lot of stuff to this. So we got our spring mix, a little bit more. Today, I got some blueberries. And of course, that's Loki, my cameraman, please leave it alone. Some strawberries. Here is a banana. It's already ripened with some spots. Now, I'm only going to use about a third of the banana, so no one's eating this but me. Half a teaspoon of ginger. Ground up ginger is fine. You don't have to go crazy. I'm also going to do a full teaspoon of flaxseed powder. And we got a cup of ice. Oops. My ice there. And I have today a mango puree that I made. And for you folks that like something a little extra sweet, I have a packet organic stevia plant. Just a little bit of stevia plant to give it a sweetener. 2 tablespoonfuls of Irish sea moss. And y'all already know that this is available. I sell this if you want small quantities of it, but it's not hard to come by. So here's our mixture. If you can see, put these blades on, let's get them.
A few moments later. More moments later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Frosted goodiness tastes like, as you can see, because the base is berries, it's going to be obviously red. So, there we go. Now this one is not as thick of a texture. Oh my god, that is so good. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Blueberry, strawberry, something healthy. And it helps with inflammation because we added the sea moss and the ginger. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want more, feel free to be a donor, a patron, whatever. That's okay, but still share these videos. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified for more videos like such. Thanks, guys.